underscores pop-up.
Hey, the niche off of the century.
I know, niche off of the century. Umchella. Genuinely, like, 1 million of my friends are going. Oh, look at that. Underscores. Okay.
Hello. We in the car. Ooh, that's a bad crash. Yeah, take it elsewhere.
Okay, wait. I'm recording. Everybody say hi to the vlog. We're at Hollywood Forever. Let's see. Let's see if I can zoom in from here. Oh, yes, I can.
Umchella vlog. Umchella at underscores pop-up.
How long was the walk?
Say hi to the vlog.
Okay, hi vlog.
Okay, introduce yourself.
I'm Oren. I'm Ben. I make music.
Train reporter. Mach 5.
Yup.
That's me.
I'm Josh.
Damn. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, this is way too sick.
It is sick.
I've never heard of more.
Say hi to the freaking vlog, guys.
Freaking vlog. I'm Ben.
I loved Paprika.
I'm Chevy. And we are Ben Tippies. Two P's in a Honda.
It was like your little person.
And then that's Jack. We don't want to disturb that right now, though.
Hi, vlog.
Aw, this makes me happy. Wait,
Your natural egg is so refreshing.
so adorable. Wait, I want That's very cool. What's up, vlog? We're in Hollywood Forever.
Not forgetting this is a jet, like,
We're about to see underscores.
dude, I'm seeing the strokes. Okay. Girl, go. I'm kidding. Wait,
My mom got us tickets. Oh, is that water or Red Bull only? Damn. Oh, can I get water?
Get some.
Thank you. Water. There's water in Red Bull.
Yeah, do you want one? There's Red Bull and water.
Oh, can I have a Red Bull?
Yeah, what flavor?
The pink one.
Okay, there we go. Bajoinga.
Wait. Is it filming? Is it going? Wait. Bajoinga. Hashtag Bajoinga. Bajoinga.
Wait. I thought about that. When I was camping, like, last year, I removed my knots.
Well, that was like the day after.
So that's like low-key like a drive.
Say hi. Bro, I'm stuck here.
Yo, can I get the booth monitor on?
So smooth and so sexy, so fresh and so clean, you know it, baby. You're acting so great. What's the city down, 7 videos, pretty wasted in your face. You can taste the sweat, but it's not over yet. No, it's not, we just getting started. Even
You?
I'm back. Are we going taco place or Taco Bell?
Yeah, we're in like a dilemma here.
I'm a robot.
Taco Bell, Taco Bell. Don't freak out, guys. But Jane Remover's right behind us.
Jaden, don't freak out.
No, I didn't say don't
No,
freak
you
out.
were like,
It's like
you're like, don't make it obvious. You're like, don't freak out. Jaden Remover's behind us.
guys, it's true. It's true. JR.
Fantastic.
Ben, think about it. We save money.
I don't care. We can go to Taco Bell.
Yes.
Wait.
Such a cutie pie. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh, no, let me squish your little cheeks. Yeah.
There's like millions of people behind us.
No, you sound like a Minecraft witch.
Bro, that is not me. That's Chevy.
Chevy, you sound like a Minecraft witch.
Yeah. Dab on them haters. Brow. I feel the Filipino in my bones, and they are going in my hormones. Yeah. Whoa. Underscores it. Yes. Underscores is my ate, and we're related. Yeah.
This is all
from the Filipinos. Yeah. It should. Wait. It's waiting.
Alright.
Oh, it says complete.
Hey.
All right.
Make it look natural.
Okay. Alrighty, this is the end of my vlog. Every pony say bye.
I love you guys.
Say bye to the vlog.
Bye, Mom. Oh, wait, okay, there's only 7. It looks like there's like
Hey guys, it's Friday, April 17, and I am gonna see my friends. We're gonna shoot a music video today. Right now, I'm not in my attire, but I will have a cute little fun outfit, and it's gonna be really fun. I'm gonna bring my camcorder around with me all day. Yeah. Coco.
How much memory is it?
I forgot.
Hello? Is this a vlog?
I was vlogging the one event too.
Which camera is this?
Panasonic something.
Melon. Say hi to the vlog. Where's Coco?
Look up there.
Say hi to the vlog.
Alright, you better watch me eat this noodle. Okay, so.
Isai, say hi.
It's busting.
Mankey, say hi. And there's Matt. And it's psychotic and freaking wrong. Yes. Look at that.
Right, team. That's straight. Straight. Bro, just straight. Road and look at this Home Goods. That shit's fancy. Bro, y'all's Home Goods does not look like a Home Goods. So YouTube family, you know we in the library, side of the library challenge. Good to be silent. No need to be silent. Silent challenge. Wait. Now you gotta do the thumbnail, bro.
Why is only one person charging?
Okay, get on cam. Say hi, introduce yourself.
Hey, I'm Hannah.
There we go.
Nice to meet you.
Escape from the Panasonic.
Hey.
Say hi,
Escape for burger. Escape for burger. Sponsor.
We're just here for burger.
I'm also sponsored. Sponsored by burger.
Burger.
Shout out.
He's here for burger.
Burger. Everybody here with burger.
What's up, every pony? Yesterday I forgot to film majority of my day, but basically for the first half of my day I went to Sawtell, hung out with Lifeline, like our friend group and stuff like that, and we went to this udon place. After that, we just kind of hung around the area for a little bit. We went to the library, and right after I met up with Lytris and Sabbath. We filmed our music video for Feet Kept Dancing, and then we got burgers and ice cream, and we went home. That was my day yesterday. Now I'm just here at my brother's apartment. This is Coco, and the big chunky one is Melon. I really miss my dog. Pixie, she's at home still, and I know she misses me. I pulled up the Ring camera and I started talking. She was turning her head and she was looking for me. I love her so badly. That's my baby girl. I'm with Ken and Keith. Hey, we're on the camcorder. They're on the actual camera.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we're vlogging today, guys. We're doing some we're getting footage and shit. Look. We're just having fun today, guys. Like we're gonna have a good day today. Yes. It's another adventure.
Yeah.
Adventures with Yana and Ken, stomping plastic Kinesico. This is amazing.
The live. We're in Little Tokyo. Bro, everybody's got a Pikmin hat.
I know, like, where do we get that shit? Where do we get that?
Honeyme's back there, yeah. Ooh, look at that. That looks bomb. Alrighty. Put it in the middle. Got some honeyme. Damn right. Damn right.
Hey guys, we're at Catch One venue. We're about to see my bros, Cruz, Matt,
Isai, Menki. I think Dom and Anna.
Yeah, Dom and Anna are pulling up too. This is gonna be the whole group, bro.
The LA
Yana
fam.
right there. Yeah, stomping plastic.
Damn right.
Kinesico right here, bro. We gotta be lit.
We were just at like a Little Tokyo.
Oh yeah, we were at Little
area.
Tokyo. We got ice cream. That shit was boss, man. Yeah, and then Yana's gonna come pull up to the Lytris show too. She got support with the bro.
We gonna perform. It's gonna be fun. Hey, what's up? Want me in the vlog? These two awesome dancers. Ooh, look. Punch, 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 punch. Hey, 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 the party too hardy. It hasn't even started. Ooh. Ooh. Show off the fit. Show off the fit. Okay. You got that. Okay.
Please watch your step because I'm feeling
Okay, show off the fit. Show off the fit.
Wow, one of you is really good at this.
It's okay, he can do anything else. Whoa, wait, I'm gonna pass it the wall. Too nasty. Okay, Jack. Very awesome.
Shout out Spin, shout out Run Along Forever. You're not even stars.
Oh yeah. We're so cute. We are so cute. What the heck? Arigato.
Damn, we're too kawaii. Bridge. Okay, little boo boo.
And this, beautiful.
Oh, cute, lovely. Oh, this is deep. Oh my god, it has like one of these things.
Oh shit! We didn't even see that. That's so.
I don't even know how to turn it on or off.
Oh my god. Wait.
I know, right?
I want to get one of those. I want to get an omnicord so bad.
I know, me too. Those omnicords, they're so expensive nowadays.
There's omnicords where?
Like, they're so expensive nowadays.
yeah,
they're like $400 bucks.
I know.
Check. Yo, is the music loud enough? Turn it up. Yes. Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm back. I just got back from the Woodbridge for Lytra's show, but as I said earlier, I went to see Cruzy's show, and then I headed over to see Spiff and Friends. I also got these sick ass shirts. Wait, let me show you my outfit for today. This is me. Okay, we got the True Religion jeans. We got the shirt from the campus thrift event, and we got me and awesome me. Thank you. Okay, and then a bracelet tour. Yep, we got the 21 Pilots one. There's one that says Pixie, my doggy. And then we got like some good luck charms. They got the 21 Pilots one. That's about it. Oh, and then of course I can't forget my necklaces, but I always wear this Rainbow Dash one and this heart one. Thank you. And yeah, I'm just like really cool a little bit. Okay, so this is the merch. Oops, if I can keep calm and Spiff on. That one is Sabbath's shirt. And then this one, the Lytra shirt. How awesome, amazing. I love wearing band merch, but when it comes to my friends' merch, ooh, you know I'm already repping that all the time, always. That was my day today. Tomorrow, I am gonna go do a photo shoot with Issa, and it's gonna be really cute. I just want to get into modeling as well this year, so I think that's gonna be really fun. Right now, I'm eating this leftover Hawaiian food. It's really good. I think it's from Something Mouth. Let me double check. I low-key don't know, but that's okay. Yeah. But today was freaking awesome. I was on stage with Lytris during our song,
And the last one too, that was really cool. Me and Sabbath were on stage and we had a whole freaking blast. The crowd was really sweet. I made a few friends. You already know that's the freaking life we're in. I love having all these opportunities and just being able to see my friends win. It's just really an honor. To be a part of that too is like crazy. So yeah, life is too lit. Okay, bye. I'm on the way to Eastside right now. This is the vlog. We're having a little photo shoot. This is my freaking stylist right here.
I'm like, wait, I need to show your outfit.
Oh yeah. This is the fit.
This is the fit, guys. I can't. Ooh, so cute! Perfect, perfect, perfect. And then we have this hair. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And now we're gonna go Little Tokyo.
Me like you.
So adorbs.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Woo, doggy.
Hey guys, I am at my brother's place. I got unready, wearing my Lightress shirt, and I'm about to hop on the train back home to the valley. I'm gonna leave my brother's house, and yeah, that was my weekend, that was my week. Stay tuned for more awesomeness. Yeah, today is Sunday, April 19th. It's pretty lit, I guess. Bye. Hey guys, it's Monday 4:20 and I just woke up. Well, like I woke up a few hours ago because I slept at 7 p.m. I got off the train, I ate, and then what's it called? And then I got picked up at the train station and I went home. I ate, oh, I think I just said that, but that's my life. It's beautiful out here. Other than that, I think my vlog here is done. That was my week. I had to take my earrings out because I think I lost this one. So whatever. I'm Stowing Plastic, aka Yana Montero, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Drop the bass.